So for today's dish we're going to use harder. It's a very typical West Coast fish, traditionally used for bokkoms as well. Cut just behind the gills, and then you cut all along the back, and then you just very gently slide it off the bone. And you want to hear your knife sort of scraping on the bones so that you're not leaving any meat behind. Taking it the whole side off like that. Just pierce the skin. You can use your fingers as well to feel where the bones are. Trim that belly part right there. Just make sure you've got all the bony parts out, and then just between the back and the stomach part, you have these little pin bones running right down the middle.